Down in the woods at sleepy time. Deep down in the woods, Mama Bear says, "It's sleepy time." "No," grumble her cubs. "We still want to play." And they clown around in the scruffy brush. Deep down in the woods, Mama Hedgehog says, "It's sleepy time." "No," squeal her prickly babies. "We're still hungry." And they snuffle for snacks in the mossy grass. Deep down in the woods, Mama Rabbit says, "It's sleepy time." "No," squeak her bunnies. "We are still peekabooing." And hip hop, they hide under fat green leaves. Deep down in the woods, Mama Toad says, "It's sleepy time." "No," hum her toadlets. "We're still making up songs." And goo, blub, they sing from the top of their log. Deep down in the woods, on her branch above them all, wise Grandma Owl hoots. "Woohoo! It's story time!" And she begins. Deep down in the woods, bear cubs are nestling cozy in the leaves. Baby hedgehogs are curling into tight worm balls. Bunnies snuggle close to each other, and toadlets settle softly in the goo glop mud. Wise Grandma Owl blinks her big eyes. She looks around. "Woohoo!" hoots wise Grandma Owl. "Sweet dreams."